Hi parents, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclohub. In this video we are discussing about the Caroline Chisholm School from Australia. And now here we are discussing the primary years K to kindergarten to 6th class. And this is the Caroline's Junior Campus comprises two located sites. The preschool site is alongside the primary school site, and the preschool program is based on the principles of play-based learning, promoting childhood whilst engaging in essential early learning. And the primary school caters the educational, social, and emotional needs of students for kindergarten to year six. So here it is some introduction of this and here the general structure of the school, which is called CCS, which is session one. So firstly, school starts of 8:55 to 8:45. First break one, then session two, break two, session three, break three, and session four. And this junior campus has seven engaging and inviting play spaces for students. So first is kindergarten playground, then wetlands, DG Square, Malacca playground, library, oval, and the neon door sensory spaces. Here are the some spaces that you can see on the pictures also. So here it is some uh, we can say some seven play spaces for the childrens and if you have another queries you can contact us on our WhatsApp so we can provide all other queries also related to the studies and everything. So kindly contact on our number which is showing on our screen 900 936 8238.